Hi guys, and welcome to my new video. In today's video, we're gonna talk about how to list files and directories in CMD or command prompt. So, the very interesting function to use in CMD is dir, which lists every file and every directory you have in the executed, like C or users or A, or basically in the file you want, so in the directory you want. So let's see, if we type dir and we click enter, it's gonna show you every direction or every directory, sorry, for every file that we have in the C users AA. So as you can see, the ones that don't have the dir, they don't have the directory. But what we can also do is we can do dir and then we can type any of these directories so we can check them. So let's say dir music, click enter, and it's gonna show us what we have in the music. So here, what's also cool is you can go with dir slash a, which is gonna show us also the hidden files on the computer, which you can't see, but you can see if you type dir a. So this is the hidden files. So that's it for today's video. Basically, it's very easy, but it's a very good function and it's a very good program to use in CMD. Thank you for watching as always. I hope I see you in the next video, and bye.